Okay, today we're here with James, and one of the many things that we do is install tankless water heaters. James, tell us a little bit about this water heater. Okay, today we're going to show you a little bit about tankless water heaters. This is a Raleigh 9.4 gallon per minute tankless water heater.
Propane.
It is LP. They have them in natural gas as well. This is kind of what the inside of the tankless looks like. And we install all types and brands of tankless water heaters for all your different needs. But when it comes to tankless water heaters, there's a few things that everyone should take into consideration, and that is the gallons per minute and temperature rise. Now, we prefer the Raleigh because it is a 9.4 gallon per minute at 100 degree temperature rise. So what that means is that 9.4 gallons per minute will come through, and whatever temperature it is, it will increase 100 degrees hotter at that rate. So if it's coming in at 50 degrees, it will be exiting at 150 degrees at 9.4 gallons per minute. So you have plenty of volume for all of your hot water needs. So give us a call if you're interested in a tankless water heater, or if you'd like to know more about them. We'll be more than happy to tell you all about them.